Good morning, my name is Jim McLaren. I'm going to do a brief review of this yard machines from Home Hardware. 24-inch cut. There's a forward and reverse. There's a cup holder. It comes with a siphon hose to siphon out your gas at the end of your grass cutting days. Electric start, 8.75 foot-pounds torque, Briggs Stratton engine. Here's the filter here. It's easy to get at. Gasoline. Coils down here. Fairly easy access. Has a discharge chute, or if you want to mulch, comes with a mulch chute. Has 5 positions for the grass cutting. This feature I really like. I'll explain that later. Has 6 speeds. 1 to 6 here. When in reverse, it will not cut, it will shut down your motor. Now when I'm cutting the grass, this is a fairly steep slope. I actually come down instead of going up. This has a tendency to, if you go up the hill instead of down, it has a tendency to pull up the front wheels. This is the slope that cuts them really nice. And you can go either way, up or down. Doesn't matter. I really like this feature. It's handy here to put your grass cutter in motion. It's easy to move. When I'm cutting the ditch and I come out the other side and I want to hit a bunch of rocks, it's easy to move this up and down. Nice little handy feature about this. I really like this part of it. This is a brief review of the yard machines from Home Hardware. Nice little machine. I got it less than $1,000. It had 10% off coupon in the store, and the tax was less than just over $900. Nice little machine. It doesn't cut corners like tight corners, but it does its job. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.